Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Please click the like, comment, subscribe and click on the bell notification button to get notified anytime we post a new video. Isiokpo Bicycle Carnival. The people of Isiokpo Kingdom recently held bicycle carnival that got them united as they rode their bicycle around the kingdom. Isiokpo Kingdom in Rivers State, Nigeria has shown the world that there is beauty in African culture. Among the Ikwere people, the bicycle carnival is a famous annual event held in Isiokpo. Isiokpo is the ancestral and spiritual land of the Ikwere people. Bicycle in Ikwere is called Iwe, as the same in Igbo language. The overall importance of Iwe to Ikwere is enormous, as such a celebration is marked to celebrate it in Ikwere land before the advent of motorcycle and vehicle. Igbo was one of the primary means of transportation aside the foot. The bicycle holds a special place in the heart of Ikwere people. It helps the local in movement, farming and transportation of farm produce from distant farm to home and marketplaces. Till date, people still enjoy the benefits of bicycle in Ikwere land. This is why a bicycle carnival is always celebrated in Isiokpo, Ikwere land. Hundreds of men grabbing their traditional attires cruise around the community to mark the end of the year, celebrate the bond of peace and unity. Some of other participants also ride along with obsoleted radios and television sets common in Nigerian homes in the 70s. This also relieved the traumatic experience of the Igbo people during the Civil War. Many Igbo families fled their village on their bicycles with some portable household properties tied on the seats. The bicycle carnival, which began not long ago in Ikwere land, has come to stay as it fosters unity. The bicycle carnival had a lot of participants who mounted their two-wheelers as they were immersed in celebration, decked in traditional attires. The participants rode on their bicycle around towns to celebrate the beauty of being united.